Hello, my friend. This is Alexander Marquez with another powerful video that's going to help you build a successful business. And on today's video, I want to talk about the importance of using video in your marketing. And this is going to be the first part that I'm going to cover when it comes to video marketing. And I'm going to explain to you why video is so important. I don't know if you're new to this business or if you've been doing business for a while, but this is why using video is so vital. See, in the past, as a marketer, as a salesperson online, you were able to simply get away with being a good copywriter and having a good sales page. However, times evolve and times are different, because back in the day, we didn't have this revolution called social media. So back in the day, you were able to get away with just having a good sales page, with good text, with good copywriting skills. But things have changed. People now are addicted to video. They're addicted to video, and they're addicted to connecting with somebody that they perceive as real on social media. This is why using video is so important, because people want to connect with a real person. They're no longer willing to follow a sleazy sales pitch or a sleazy salesperson. They want to connect with someone that seems genuine and real. And there's no better way to come across as someone real than actually stepping in front of the camera. And I know at first, for some people or for a lot of people, it can be very intimidating. But trust me, the key with video marketing is to continue to do it, is to commit to do it on a regular basis. And just like anything in life, at first it might be quite difficult, but eventually you will start to get better. And that is the key. You want to sell yourself to people. People want to see who you are. It doesn't matter if you're shy, if you're outgoing, it doesn't matter what type of personality you have. There is an audience and there's a market out there for you. This is why it's so important that you incorporate video into your marketing. The sales page that I said used to be effective now can be more effective if you use video. The most effective sales pages now, if you see, they'll still have the text, but above the text, they'll actually have a short video presentation that pretty much covers what's in the text, because a lot of people will not have the patience to read through a long sales page. It seems like attention spans are shrinking every single day. So the first type of video you want to use is a sales video at the top of your sales page. It doesn't have to be a long sales page. It could also be a squeeze page where you collect leads for your business. But you want to have a short video, a 5 to 10 minute video, which introduces your product, goes over what it does, the major benefits, and that invites people to buy it at the end. The closing message is you have a call to action. And of course, below that video, you're going to have your buy now button, which is very important. So if you're not incorporating video in your sales message, like I said, it doesn't have to be a long sales page. It could be a short one. It could be designed just to collect leads. It could be just a video, some bullet points, a powerful headline, and at the bottom of the video, or somewhere right there at the top of the page, somewhere next to the video or at the bottom, you asking for your visitors' contact information so you can follow up with them. It could be anyway. It could be designed to collect leads, or it could be designed to make a sale. But that's the first type of video you want to use. The second type of video I want to cover in this video is the video that is designed simply to get people to click to your site. Now, these can be very powerful because it's going to generate traffic to your main offer. So these videos are going to be short. They're going to simply be designed to entice people to click on a specific link that you place under the video. So it needs to be a very short and powerful video where you don't provide all the information. You just maybe give them a glimpse a glimpse of what they can expect inside your website. So it's a very short video. You give them a few bullet points that simply tempts them to want to click on that link below the video so you can generate traffic to your site. So these type of videos are very powerful. If you're not using them, you can start using them. You can make videos on YouTube on a daily basis because it's all about consistency, where you simply perhaps cover a couple of points, and then you simply say at the end of the video, if you want to get the full story, if you want to get all the details, if you want to discover the remaining 3 points that are going to help you succeed, then I want to invite you to click on the link that's below this video right now. So to recap, you want to be on video because you want to connect with people. You want to create videos for your sales pages that are the top of the page or to generate leads. And last but not least, you want to create videos that generate traffic to your site, short videos that cover a couple of points but don't give everything away, that gets people to want to click on your site. If you incorporate these few tips, you will definitely be on your way to success. On my next video, I will continue to explore this concept of video marketing. So I want to invite you to stay tuned for that video. And I want to invite you to click on the link that's below this video if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, click on the link that's below this video to visit my site for more information. My site is alexandermarquez.net, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care.